This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from Amul fresh cream. First, ensure your Amul fresh cream is well chilled, ideally for at least 8 hours. The cream should have a fat content of around 25% for optimal whipping. Also, place your mixing bowl and whisk attachments in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes before you begin. This cold environment is crucial for achieving stiff peaks. Once your cream is thoroughly chilled, pour the cold Amul fresh cream into your frozen mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the cream. The powdered sugar helps stabilize the whipped cream and adds a smooth sweetness. Vanilla extract enhances the flavor, giving it that classic, delightful taste we all love. Start whipping the cream mixture on a low speed using an electric mixer. This initial slow speed helps prevent splattering and gently incorporates air. After about 1 minute, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream beginning to thicken and increase in volume. Keep whipping until it reaches your desired consistency, whether that's soft peaks for a gentle topping or stiff peaks for piping. Your homemade whipped cream from Amul fresh cream is now ready to enjoy. It's best served immediately to experience its light and airy texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The cream might lose some of its stiffness over time, but it will still taste delicious. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.